Hello guys, welcome to my channel once more again. Today we're going to be doing something really different. We're going to be talking about natural hair and men's perspective on natural hair. So today I have with me Daniel, Dr. Daniel, and I have with me Ayowale. Ayowale, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ayowale. I'm a chef, a professional chef.
Are you serious?
Yeah, of course.
Where?
Who doesn't know?
What do you cook?
Like gourmet food.
What is gourmet food? Is it African food or?
Gourmet food is just the when you cook and you employ a lot of techniques and different special ingredients. All this complicated food.
Like, yeah, you're cooking something as simple as Indomie, but you're making it like
That's how I do. Like just
like gourmet food.
Okay. Anyways, so I wanted to know their perspective on natural hair. I know that women are conscious, even though they pretend that they are not conscious about what men think about natural hair or relaxed hair or any form of hair that you carry. So I want to ask them what they think about natural hair. I'm going to start with Ayowale. So let me shout. Okay, so now Ayowale, what do you think about natural hair? What does natural hair mean to you?
Okay, for me, natural hair is a hair that is not relaxed. That is in its natural state, like natural, unrelaxed. You know, habits can look rough, but
Oh really?
yeah, it can be rough. So
What was that supposed to mean?
I don't know. No, apparently, people carry natural hair and like, but that's just what it is. At least for now, that's what it is.
Okay, Daniel.
My own perspective of natural hair, it's a hair that is in its natural state that have not gone through chemical, especially relaxing, that have not gone through.
I thought you guys are going to be lost, like you wouldn't know what natural hair
About
is.
this 21st century now.
No, but most men, once they hear natural hair, they just think that it's carrying your hair out and all of that. They don't know the difference between not having your hair relaxed with chemicals and just.
We are more learned.
Yeah.
Give God the praise. Okay, so if for instance your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, any of those female friends goes out and comes in bald and says that she wants to go natural, what do you think? What's your take on that? Any of you?
Okay, for me, no problem. But my major concern is, like the naturals I get to see, they are all just compact together, not free, and that's because they don't attempt to it in treatments and getting it alive. So if you will not do that, but if you'll be able to do it, and I've seen natural hairs that look like they are relaxed and all those things. It takes a lot of effort actually, but if you're able to do that, then good. But if not, let it grow and relax it again. Because it doesn't make sense.
For me, I'll be supportive of that next move. If she wants to take,
You'll be supportive.
I'll be supportive. I like natural. It brings up,
Really?
it brings up that natural glow and that African heritage also. Like, you see a girl that's natural hair, or even if she's bald, you understand? There's this attention she draws if she walks in any place. You understand? So I like it. It's nice.
Oh wow. Okay, so that's
you can
that.
try it.
I'm not sure, but that's not why I'm asking this question. So that brings me to my very last question,
Okay.
which is, which do you prefer, natural or relaxed hair?
Awesome.
Go first.
That's a good one.
Go first.
I'll go natural. I love natural.
Really?
Anything natural, I go for it. Even when it comes to food, meals, like even medicine, as in if you can have
Herbs and
herbs.
concoctions.
We love natural remedies before you go to the chemicals and stuff like that. So even if you come to meet the doctor with something, we always like that lifestyle modification first. It's not like just about giving you drugs, because those chemicals sometimes they have some adverse effects, they have some side effects also. So we love if you have lifestyle changes first, so you don't make sure you exercise, reduce your salt intake, reduce your sugar intake, and all those kind of things, because those come natural and it's better for the body than for it to introduce something artificial. So yeah, so I always go for natural.
Okay,
Even though some medical
yeah, that's right. Okay, for me, I like what I said before. Yes, for years I've been using black soap for 5 years and using shea butter on my body, you know, and all those things. I eat fresh and all those things. I avoid all this canned packaged. I like to use my raw ingredients. So definitely I love natural hair. It's good, but maintain it. It's like keeping afro as a guy and not maintaining it.
So if your woman comes now and asks you for 25,000 naira to give her hair products and all,
we may not need it. We will not need that much. See, like I said before, I like traditional. I like our ingredients and all those things around. But then we pick different things. Google it. Home remedy for straight hair, those things, some oils. It doesn't have to be, because eventually in trying to treat the hair, you still go back to almost relax using all those chemicals.
Yeah.
So also, so if it's a natural approach, like we'll make our product, we'll mix it banana, everything, we'll mix it and put in it consciously, it will work. So it doesn't have to be because that scares a lot of people. Like, oh, I need a fortune to bring it to.
Yeah, true.
No, not necessarily. Google is there, just check and consistent.
And I am there.
Yeah.
Because I give up hair tips and all. If you guys
So
don't know.
if you do that consistently, because what people say is they do things and they stop halfway and say it's not working.
Yeah, true.
So it's a process. If you can follow the process, you get the result. It's not about spending a lot of money, a fortune to achieve it. I kept afro before and it never costed me a fortune. It's just consistent, small things and it all works. It's my hair now. I'm trying to grow it again, but I don't know if it will work.
Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your contributions.
Thanks for having us here.
I would have probably gone around and start interviewing like random people, but I didn't see the need. Like their opinions is enough. It matters and it's enough. So.
Honorarium.
Sorry?
Honorarium. you carry camera. Alright, thank you.
Anyways, yeah.
No problem.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to
Give it a thumbs up.
thumbs it up.
Yeah.
Share to your friends. Leave your comments down below. If you have any questions, please don't forget to drop them down below. I love you guys and see you in my next video. Bye.